Hello everyone, welcome back to Collector Spam times 3. Guys, we just picked up a pretty good haul of booster packs right here. We went down to our favorite store in Richmond, One Eye Jacks, and they had, right here it says 25% off of these booster boxes. They actually gave them to us for 40% off. So we got these really, really cheap. Also, these booster packs, all with the exception of Ultra Prism, we got a couple of these floating in here. We got all the rest of these Pokemon booster packs for 40% off as well. Guys, we got this for a steal, and we want to do an open for you guys out there on YouTube. Please hit that like, hit that subscribe. We're going to focus on these booster packs. This one's actually going into the collection. We're not going to open this one, but this one, we're going to open this one on the next video, guys. So stay tuned, and we're going to go ahead and start opening these packs up.
I'm gonna put a Primal Crash away then. Alright guys, so we've separated the packs. I got an Evolutions and a Breakpoint. Everyone else has got different packs, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and open these on camera. We'll see what we pull out of these packs. Let's see what happens here. Alright guys, here is the code card. That's out of the Evolutions pack, guys. Feel free to use it. Please comment below. Let us know if you get any great things online. I got a Flying Pikachu Secret Rare, which I've got about 10 of those. Coughing. Misty's Determination, Machop, Voltorb, Diglett, Caterpie, a Reverse Beedrill, and a Farfetch'd. Nothing good in that pack. Alright guys, so I'm going to go ahead and open up my Breakpoint pack. Guys, I love opening up booster packs, especially as cheap as we got them. It's kind of crazy, actually, how cheap we were able to get these packs. There is the code card. Alright, I got a Professor Sycamore, Gyarados Spirit Link, Froakie, Skrelp. Oop, I kind of grabbed that one. It says a Reverse Garchomp, and a Shiftry non-holographic, guys.
Wait, is that a reverse rare?
Yeah, these are for reverse rares. Yeah, go ahead.
Excuse me. Okay, I got a Blastoise. Can you open it? Oh wait, this is my dad.
We got a Blastoise Evolution pack, guys. Evolutions are my favorite because I collected base set when I was their age, and Evolutions just kind of brings all of those feelings back.
It's hard to open.
So.
Yeah, finally. Oh yeah, I didn't even get to see the card in front. Yay.
Oh man.
That's awesome. There's a cool card if you guys play online. How much did
That's 3. Yeah, you're right.
it?
Alright, we got a Metapod.
Professor Oak's Hint, Coughing, Staryu, Energy, Rowlet, Ghastly, Charmander,
Reverse Gyarados.
Reverse Gyarados,
And a
Zapdos.
Zapdos holographic.
Wow, that's a good pull. Put that in the sleeve. Ooh, these are hollow rares. 2 hollow rares. That's not hollow. The Gyarados. Leave it at.
Alright, so we got a Reverse Gyarados and a Zapdos holographic.
Yeah, I'm not gonna see. I'm not gonna see what's in front, so. Let's go.
There's the code
Wait, let
card.
me pull a rare. How much is it? Oh, that pack down there. Oh, that pack. Sorry.
Go ahead.
Right there. What's right there?
Reverse. Goldeen, Starly, Chespin, Woobat, Rufflet, Pancham, and a holographic.
Oh, you got some good
Pulling the holographics, guys.
Okay,
Pulling
my
the
turn.
holographics.
So it's my turn. And it's now I got this one. I'm going to open this one first because that one, I think it has some awesome. Okay. Let's open this one. Okay. Oh, I wanna look at that character. Here's the code if anybody wants it. There it is. 1, 2, 3. Let's put 3 in the front. Ooh, I thought that was 100 health. Lightning. Ooh.
I like the buzz.
Ooh,
There's
look,
reverse
you can
Chikorita.
see
That's
Fennekin.
Fennekin in there. I didn't even realize that before. And a
Aw.
Meowstic.
Meowstic. I want to punch you in the face right now. We keep getting Meowstic.
We have pulled our fair share of those. There's no joke about that.
Yeah.
And let me get this a little bit closer to the table.
Uh, Here's the code if anybody wants it.
Here's the code, guys.
1, 2, 3. There we go. Alright, this card.
That's a cool looking Drowsy, though.
Oh man, look at that.
Tata, Froakie. Oh, man.
I got this pack.
A Luxray
Oh my
break.
gosh.
And, oh,
So
wow.
I
Cool.
got a nice pull right there, guys.
That is a sweet pole. Here, let's see if we can get it focused in that camera there.
Oh my gosh.
There we go, man.
That's a cool one.
Sweet break.
Wait. I opened, but I opened the first pack. It was this Pokemon, and it was golden.
was that
my
Pokemon on the
first
front.
pack.
I
Yeah,
see.
that was my
Put that in the
first
back
pack.
there.
Alright, come on.
Good pole, Landon. That's freaking
Yeah.
awesome.
Hey, that's mine.
That's a good pole.
I'm gonna shuffle that.
Definitely unexpected.
Yeah.
Okay,
especially
I'm
for
doing
food.
this one first.
Alright, XY Primal Clash.
Guys, that was a amazing pull right there. Yeah.
Guys, when you open up these Pokemon packs, it has like a fresh card
How many
smell.
is it?
Which one is that? Just do 3.
Yeah, 3.
Yeah, guys, you know what I'm talking about. When you open up a fresh Pokemon card pack, that smell, that smell is filling the room right now. A Meryl. Surskits, we catch that on Pokemon Go a lot. A Treecko, Shroomish. Corphish, reverse, and an Eglash holographic. Sweet card. Let's check that out. Check that out, guys. Pretty cool card. Nice little pull there. We'll put that in the back. So we're coming up with a lot of holos. Not gotten our first GX or EX card yet. Oh, it may come from Evolutions. If our Evolutions poll history has served us well, this could potentially be a pretty decent card coming out of this pack. So, guys, already we've gotten a lot of holos. We got the reverse Gyarados,
I
and
need an EX.
yeah, somebody needs to get a good pull here. But we still have plenty of booster packs to open.
Yeah. We got 36 more packs to open.
Yeah, we still got a ton of packs to open, guys, especially with the stuff that we currently have right now.
More than 36 packs to open.
There is the code card. Guys, if you haven't gone to see our other videos, seen some of the stuff that we still have shelved, waiting for other videos, and you're interested in seeing them, guys, let us know in the comments. Hit the like, hit the subscribe. Join the Collectors fam. Help support us. Help us support our family and our collector adventure. Alright, we're starting with a Macho. A Super Potion. Charizard Spirit Link. A Poliwag. A Pikachu. Ponyta. Nidoran. A Vulpix. A Reverse Haunter. And a Dugong. Alright, guys.
So that right there, I think I got
Here we go with a Breakpoint pack right there.
Everybody right now. But if Mama gets a 4 or something like that, she wins the whole thing.
We'll see what she gets. There is the code card.
Hey, Lenny, I gotta tell you something. No one wins this pack.
Yeah, guys, it's all about the fun of the hunt.
Yeah.
An Arcanine. That's a pretty sweet looking card. I like the stars in the background. Bursting Balloon. A Krictot. Numel. A Shinx. Chikorita. Clefairy. Looking kind of like he's having some kind of weird stuff going on. Palpitoad. And a Gold Duck. Man, this is starting to look like a bunch of nothing burgers. Ooh, the Ultra Prism pack. So we're getting into the newer stuff.
Ultra Prism.
This is the new stuff, guys.
Ooh.
We're going to get a whole bunch of new Celestial Storm stuff, and I really cannot wait. We're going to pre-order. There's the code card right there. Alright.
Oh, that's upside down.
Coming in upside down.
Yep.
Electric Memory. Turtonator, Mount Cornet, Cherubi,
Piplup.
Piplup.
Yellow.
Oh man, nothing burgers, guys.
Four.
Bunch of nothing burgers. Nobody wins, Landon. I think you're tripping. Alright, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and open up this Primal Clash XY pack. And we still got tons more to open, so we'll just see what kind of pulls we get out of this entire stack of Pokemon booster boxes. I mean, packs. Excuse me. Alright, guys, there is the code card. That's kind of faded, really. But I hope you guys can get that code right off there. Alright, 1, 2, 3. Let's see what I can pull here. Alright, so I have a Nidorina. Celio. Tangela. A Bidoof. A Clamperl. Meditite. A Tentacool. Oh, we got a reverse die ball and ooh, a Manectric holographic. Pretty sweet pull right there, guys. I'm happy with that. Still got plenty more packs to go. Hopefully they're not handing out packs without data here.
Here, pick one.
Alright, guys, I'm gonna start with another Evolutions pack out of our giant bundle there. We still got tons to hand out. I don't know how many we're all getting. Is it 3 each? There is the code card, guys, for those of you that play online. There it is. Oh, let me do the trick. 1, 2, 3. I got a Prox Grit. A Slowbro Spirit Link. A Magmar. Magikarp. Weedle. Electabuzz. A Drowsy. Staryu. A Reverse Charmander, and a Dugong.
That's what McKenzie pulled. Hey, Dugong.
Alright, I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to open my next Evolutions pack right here. This is a Raichu artwork. And I'm going to go ahead and open this up and see what I can pull, guys. Right now, our pull rate's not super fantastic. Man, that took a little bit of sweat right there to get that open. Alright, guys, there is the code card. Right there. 1, 2, 3. Alright, guys. We've got a Metapod. Professor Oak's Hint. A Colorless Energy.
Vulpix.
A Vulpix.
Electabuzz. Magikarp. Ghastly. Sandshrew.
Reverse Magnemite. And a Mewtwo. A whole lot of nothings out of these evolutions, guys. It's kind of hurt my feelings here.
Okay, which one? I'm going with like one. How many is it, 3? Misty's demonstration. Swanna. Puzzle of Time.
Hey guys, the whole video, all of our cards are so blurry.
Orange. Pancham. Litzel. Staryu. Trubbish.
Trubbish and
Ooh, legendary Pokemon.
It's a legendary, and it's a hollow. Put that
holographic. That's pretty
in
cool.
the sleeve, Mackenzie.
Leave it up.
Okay, Mackenzie has still more packs to go. Yeah, 2 more packs. And Aiden will go, Mischievous Aiden. Mischievous Aiden here is going to go up and open that. Let's see what he gets. Right now we're watching the breakthrough. Get this. Feel this one. Not that. And feel this one. And feel this one. These 2. So this one I would do this. Ooh. Okay. You just don't say the name. I don't like saying. Look at that artwork. Magneton, Wobbuffet. Ghastly. Everybody's doing a lot of Ghastlies. Paris. Today. It's so fun. Oh, look at that dude. He's on it. Looks like he's Ooh.
Not a Marowak.
Marowak. Come on. Last pack magic. Last pack magic, everybody. Let's see if she can get some there in my pool. I got last pack magic, so maybe she will get last pack magic. Maybe everybody will. On this video. Maybe somebody will get a full art. I need last pack magic. That's what I'm looking for. On rainbow call out these. That's what I'm looking for. 1, 2, 3. Come on, Mackenzie. Last pack magic. Hope she gets
A Kakuna?
last pack magic.
A potion? Venusaur Spirit Link? A Growlithe?
And my chomp.
Awesome,
They're
Mackenzie.
both good, actually.
That is freaking good last pack magic right there.
I'm pleased for those. Alright, who's next?
Me. So that was a good pull for Mackenzie. I'm definitely going to pull 2 rares in these 2 packs. This one, this one, little loose. This one is the one that I'm opening last. Let me open my, okay, I'm just going to open it. You did, yours? I'm just going to say right there. My turn, excuse me. Excuse me. Did you? Again, open this. Shut. By the way, this is Mischievous Agent opening the pack. Okay,
Mischievous
there's
Agent is
Aiden.
up to bat, guys. Who knows what he's going to get?
Yeah, who knows? Yeah. Let me get the pack.
Oh, man. Looks like Mischievous Agent might have some luck here, guys. There's the code card. He's really quick on that.
Come on.
You guys saw it?
Come on. How much is it?
It's 3.
3.
Alright. We got maintenance. Alright. Oh, we got a secret rare. Put that to the side. You got a Misty's Determination. Caterpie. Magnemite.
Warjoy. Hitchu.
Oh, he got an EX.
God.
There's the first one, guys. Wow, we opened so many packs, and now we finally got an EX card.
Hey, no jumping.
So I wonder, wow, that was, man, how many packs did we open? We opened quite a few. We opened quite a few for that to happen right there.
Come on, let me open this pack.
That Poliwrath, though, guys, that's one of the missing holographics that we actually have in our personal collection of Evolution.
There's the code.
There's the code card.
How much is it? 3? Is it 3? 3.
We also got that right there. He got that secret rare.
Ooh, I thought this went on the show. I thought I went on the show today.
A Psyduck and a Raticate.
Yeah. So
So we got one more pack to go. Let's see if we get that last pack magic.
Ooh, look what I got. A Raticate. Eat that. Let me get that.
Alright, Mischievous Agent's about to turn back into regular Aiden.
No, it's not. Okay, let's see if he gets some good. Here we go.
I got there because
How much
right
is
there.
it? Is it 3?
And it looks like he might be getting some last pack magic, I
Is it
think.
3? Wait.
We'll see what happens.
Go Pokemon. What's this? Okay, easy. That one's good. I like that artwork, the fire energy.
Mischievous Agent might get lucky here. I'm gonna go ahead and get something ready because he always gets lucky.
Okay.
Ooh, that's a cool reverse.
Okay.
Alright, and...
Come on.
Oh, man.
Okay, so
Didn't
it's
quite
my
work out.
turn. Yeah.
Didn't quite
My
work out.
turn.
That didn't work out. I switched
Okay, yours is my packs. I'm opening that one last. That one feels good.
So we got 2 XY Primal Clash boosters, and then what is that one? Is that a Primal Clash as well?
Yeah.
How'd you end up getting 3 Primal Clash? Oh, you got a breakthrough.
Ghastly. Why are you in here, Ghastly? Why? Okay, there's the code. If anybody wants it, here you go, Dada. 1, 2, 3. Ooh, I have this card. Okay, let's see. Ooh, that is that
Sorry,
rare?
it's not
That's
rare,
not
no.
rare. Why is
It is in
that
other
rare?
sets, other Pokemon sets, it is rare.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, no, what the world?
Why? Okay.
Still got 2 more packs to go. You still got 2 more chances to get a pretty decent pull. Plus, you got that break. Who got that break?
Me.
Landon got that break, so.
And
Right
I
now we
got
got Aiden got the EX. Landon got the break. Mackenzie came through with some hollows. Other people got hollows. I think that's mine, Aiden's. So,
And I
people
got
some pulls.
Gyarados.
Let's see if we can bring that number up just a
There's
hair.
the code card. It's upside
There's the upside down code card, but now we fix it. Yay! Let's do the 3. Alright, we've got...
There we go. Look at him. He's rushing. He's late for the poly.
Nose pass. I hate that card. I don't know why. Horsey. Skitty. Reverse and a Tango.
Oh, that's the pack.
Alright, the last pack magic. Come on, buddy. Guys, hit the like, hit the subscribe. Help us
Same
out.
one again.
Same one again.
There's the code.
There's the code.
1, 2, 3.
Just again, real quick, guys, just in case. So hopefully you guys saw that code card. You can use it. Comment in the comment section. Let us know what you get online. And let's hope Landon can get some last pack magic, guys. We went through a heck of a ton of booster packs.
Ooh.
A Weedle. What's at the end? Oh. Landon got out of the same pack artwork, guys. Let me see that.
Oh my gosh.
Oh man, let's put that in the camera to do better. Whoa, sweet pull, guys. There it is.
Guys.
There
I
it
got
is. Wow.
Pack magic for that pack.
Good job.
Woo!
Guys, what a sweet card. Look at that. That is so freaking cool. Let's leave that bad boy up. So, guys, we still got, what, 4 more booster packs to open. And I'm not even sure we're going to put these polls so everyone can see everything. Whoops. I'll just stick that right there. I've got 1 more pack to open, guys.
I've only got 2.
Oh, never mind then. Here, I'll open them up with... We'll open up
Battle.
both of them here.
Pack battle. Definitely do a pack battle.
Alright, guys. There is my code card right there.
Do a pack
Alright.
battle.
1, 2, 3, 4. This was
Yours is
4 for
upside
Ultra
down.
Prism. Alright.
Do a pack battle.
I'm going to go first really fast, and then she can just hop right in. Oh, look her whistle. Look at tongue. Weasel. Evie, this is my last chance, guys. I don't think it's going to come out so well. Turtwig, the reverse Rotom, and a Licky tongue. I got nothing, guys. This whole deal. I give up.
Energy.
2 energies.
Dark Energy.
Magikarp.
Magikarp.
Weedle. Electabuzz. Drowsy. Switch.
And a Starmie. Man, a bunch of nothing burgers, guys. At least we got a pretty decent amount of pulls out of all of us, though. All the way in the back.
Nothing burger.
Still, I feel like this is alright right now. We're doing okay. We still got that pack, and we still have 1 more, correct? No, oh man, this is the official last pack, everyone. Hit that like button. Help us get something good from this with some good karma, good luck. There's the code card. Alright, let's see what the deal is. Last pack, oh no. Chimchar. A Shaman. And nothing. The Shaman was the rare. Guys, man, that was a lot of booster packs to go through. It seems like we got some pretty decent pulls all the way in the back. Everyone pulled something. We got a break. We got 2 EXs. We did get the Mega there. And we got a bunch of holographics. We got a secret rare. Actually, we got a couple because I pulled that Flying Pikachu. And basically just regular holographics, guys. Well, comment down below. Let us know what you think of our polls. Man, well, they were cheap. So, hey, it worked out, guys. Like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much for watching, guys. And until next time, Collectors Fam times 3. Alright, guys. See y'all next time.
Bye.